Hi, I'm Marcia with Costa Tropical Properties. This is my brand new listing in Chontales, Sueños del Tropico gated community. It's a beautiful house here with 3 bedrooms. Let's go inside and have a look. As you enter, you first reach an office, and right across the hall from that is the half bathroom for the main area for guests. And then you enter a great room where you can watch TV in the evening. It has a really nice cupola up above that is open all the time, so it's always cool in here. And then you have a really nice functional kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a dishwasher on this side, a gas range, an oven and a microwave. Off the great room is the master bedroom. We have a really nice breeze here, and it's got a great ocean view. This master bedroom has air conditioning in it. Then here is a walk-in closet, and then this is the ensuite bathroom. 2 sinks, a big shower. Off the bedroom is a little sitting area on the patio, ocean view, beautiful landscaping here. Then off the other side of the great room is the spare bedroom. It also has an ocean view. Just off of the great room, the laundry room, a nice quality washer and dryer, and a nice shelf unit. Large dining table right outside on the patio. Extra awnings, and these will go down even further for shade in the afternoon. Let's walk over to the pool area. There's an outdoor shower right here. A really large lap pool. And as you can see, the patio is just up above on a higher level, and gorgeous ocean view on the other side, and gorgeous landscaping. Then below the pool, we have our automatic sprinkler system, water tank, and the pool equipment on this level below. I just want to point out some of this landscaping. Some green coconut trees, which is the best coconut milk. And on the other side, a Bismarck palm. With fruit trees. There's a mango tree in the back, and just forest, where you'll see monkeys. There's a covered carport here and a storage bodega. As I mentioned before, the house comes fully equipped. It's total turnkey, move-in ready. You can see the rest of the Sueños del Tropico community here, and I want to point out the gorgeous mountain view back there. So you've got everything here. It's really a 360 view. This property, again, is very private. There are no neighbors. The property line is just on the other side of these first taller trees. So it's a big property, and there's additional space where you can put a guest house. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you can come and see this house in person. It really shows well, and it's just a beautiful location.